In this video, we're bringing you Megan's favorite right side redirect. What's up, gang? Brian B, Miss Megan. We have a fairly basic right side redirect that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So what's going on here? This is going to be like a right side pass. So it's based off of 1, 2, where the follower heads down for 3 and 4 for a right side pass. All that remains the same. What we need to do different is I need to close the distance between us with my connection and be proactive with my right hand to stop Miss Megan from going down the slot. I need to do this by count 3. 1, 2. By the time she hits 3, I need to stop her progression down the slot. We replace for and. We step back for 4, and we anchor 5 and 6. Let's quickly cover the footwork for that. Followers first. She dances forward for 1, 2, she's going to begin the side pass and press for 3, replace for and, step backwards for count 4, and anchor 5 and 6. From the leader's perspective, this might be one exception where on a right side pass I would step back and cross, or I might step back and together because I don't want to cut off the space of my follower. But in this case, I might actually cheat that a little bit because I want to shorten the distance between us. So 1, 2 might go a little bit towards her. Then for 3, I'm going to press. This doesn't have to be a press, but this lets me move away and still be supple in the connection. I was searching for a word there. For 3, I replace for and. I step back in the slot for 4, away and connected, and anchor 5 and 6. So one time we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. That's my footwork for leaders. Second part is we have this connection. If I raise this, it's going to shorten the distance between us, and it's going to make her side a little bit more accessible to redirect. So as I begin, I'm going to be raising the hand, cutting her off a little bit. On the 3 and 3, I want to make sure that there's enough space that she doesn't feel restricted. I don't want this to be a wall, right? 3 and 4. On 4, I'm going to shorten this step here. Normal step back for Megan. We anchor 5 and 6. If we look at it from the other side, again, probably the key to this with no footwork at all is this hand coming up so I can access the right side of her. 1, 2, 3. I need to be pretty tight with this. And 4 as I slide this foot back so I can be connected with my center. And we anchor 5 and 6 last time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And there is a right side redirect for West Coast Swing. Do you want to add some style to your West Coast Swing? If so, I want to invite you to our live styling workshop, a virtual workshop on Saturday the 12th from 1 to 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Myself and the West Coast Swing team are going to be doing a live interactive workshop, so you'll be able to take classes in styling footwork. We're going to do some body isolations, and we're going to have a whole section on anchor steps. This is going to be stuff we've never shared before. It's going to be super awesome and interactive. So somewhere around this video, you're going to see a button to sign up. Once you're there, you're going to get a welcome video from me inside your login. That's going to give you the link that you'll be able to watch it live. Again, it's 1 to about 3:30 p.m. on Saturday the 12th. Now, if you miss it live, no frets. We are going to add the videos to your login. So on about the morning of the 13th, you will have access to them, and they will live in that account forever. So hopefully you can join us live on the 12th, but if not, don't miss out on the opportunity. You have to sign up before the 12th, and you will have access not only to the live videos, but to the replays forever. So thanks, gang. Be safe, and we'll see you again soon.